Namaskar. Welcome to all of you. Today we discuss the chapter Electrochemical Cell from TYBSc Physical Chemistry. Now, before discussing the electrochemical cell, first we discuss the electrochemistry because both terms are related to each other. Now, when we understand the term electrochemistry, that time we easily understand what is the electrochemical cell and what happen into the electrochemical cell. So first we discuss the electrochemistry. So question is, what is the electrochemistry? Now electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between chemical reaction and electrical energy. That's a simple definition of electrochemistry. What happen into the electrochemistry? It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between chemical reaction and electrical energy. There is the relationship between chemical reaction and electrical energy. When chemical reaction is formed, then after formation of chemical reaction, there is the production of electrical energy. These terms is explained in the electrochemistry. So definition of electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between chemical reaction and the electrical energy. So it is called as the electrochemistry. So what happen into the electrochemistry? When in any chemical reaction, the chemical reaction is a proceed. After the proceeding of chemical reaction, that time the electrical energy is formed. It's called as the electrochemistry. Now then we discuss the electrochemical cell. What is the electrochemical cell? In electrochemical cell, we say that electrochemical cell is nothing but the device. Is the device which is used to generate the electrical energy. Okay. What happened into the electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell is nothing but the device. It is one of the device, and in this device this device is useful to generate the electrical energy at the expense of spontaneous oxidation reduction reaction. In chemical reaction, there is the oxidation and reduction is formed. After the completion of oxidation and reduction in the chemical reaction, that time particular amount of electrical energy is generated. This device is called as the electrochemical cell. So we say that simple definition of electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell is a device which is used to generate the electrical energy at the expense of spontaneous oxidation reduction reaction. It is called as the electrochemical cell. That's a simple one. In any chemical reaction, that time when oxidation and reduction reaction take place, means simply we say that redox reaction take place. That time after completion of the redox reaction, due to this completion of redox reaction, there is the formation of some amount of electrical energy, and this electrical energy produced in a device. This device is nothing but the electrochemical cell. So this is the definition of electrochemical cell. Okay, now electrochemical cell are broadly divided into the two type of cell. We already discussed about the electrochemical cell. These electrochemical cell are broadly divided into the two types of cell. First one, it is called as the reversible cell, and second one, it is called as the irreversible cell. These two types of the electrochemical cell. Now we know very well, reversible and irreversible both are opposite words to each other. What happen into the reversible reaction? We know very well, in the any type of chemical reaction, reactant is converted to the product. When reactant is converted to product, this reaction is called as the forward reaction. But sometime this product is again converted into the reactant. It is called as the backward reaction. When those reaction follows forward reaction as well as the backward reaction, that time means reactant is converted to product and product is again converted to reactant. That time this reaction is called as the reversible reaction. And what happened in the irreversible reaction? In the irreversible reaction, when reactant is converted to product but product is not again converted to reactant, means it is the one side reaction. Reactant is converted to product. There is stop of reaction. Reaction will be stopped here, and product is not again converted to reactant, is called as the irreversible reaction. So we say that these electrochemical cells are broadly divided into two type of cell, that is reversible cell and irreversible cell. So first we discuss which cell is called as the reversible cell. Okay, in the reversible cell we say that any chemical reaction, or it is in the operation, the electrode and the cell reaction are reverse. Electrode reaction as well as the cell reaction are reverse, is called as the reversible reaction. Okay, reversible reaction, the electrochemical cell, we say this electrochemical cell, electrochemical cell. We know very well electrochemical cell is one of the device, and these cell are two types of reactions. Maybe first one reversible cell, and second one it is called as the irreversible cell. Second one, irreversible cell. Irreversible cell. So first we discuss what is the difference between reversible cell and what is the irreversible cell. Okay, in case of reversible cell, we say that it is one of the chemical operation. In reversible cell, it is one of the chemical operation. In this chemical operation, the electrode and the cell reaction are reverse. Electrode reaction as well as cell reaction are reverse, means reactant is converted to product, product is again converted to reactant, is called as the reversible cell. So what happen into the reversible cell? It is one of the operation, or it is one of the chemical process in which electrode as well as we say the cell reaction are reverse, is called as the reversible cell. Okay, and what happen into the irreversible cell? In the irreversible cell, we say that in this chemical operation, the electrode and the cell reaction are not reverse. They are not reverse, is called as the irreversible cell. Both the electrode and the cell reaction are not reverse. What happen into the reversible cell? We say the electrode and cell reaction are reverse. So this cell is called as the reversible cell. And what happen into the irreversible cell? It is one of the operation, or it is in a chemical process in which the electrode and the cell reaction are not reverse. We say that electrode and cell reactions are not reverse, is called as the irreversible reaction. So these are the basic point in our chapter, that is the electrochemical cell, that is definition of electrochemistry, then electrochemical cell, and there are two types of electrochemical cell. First, reversible cell and the irreversible cell. Now in the next lecture we discuss about the measurement of EMF. Okay, thank you very much.